A lot of Dogecoin holders are worried that Bitcoin is going to lose over $30,000 after the unlocking of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. But I think the opposite of that is going to happen. So, let's talk about it. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. If you don't know, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is the world's largest cryptocurrency fund. Instead of directly investing in Bitcoin, institutional investors gain exposure in the Bitcoin market through their product called GBTC. GBTC shares are bought directly via Grayscale in daily private placements and receive a premium. But for a while, the GBTC premium has been negative. Now, the GBTC is probably going to be unlocked pretty soon. A lot of analysts believe that this will lead to a huge sell-off for Bitcoin and Doge. But I believe that GBTC unlocking will instead have exactly the opposite impact. According to this CoinDesk article, the Bitcoin market could get a much-needed boost from the GBTC unlock. It says that some digital asset analysts and investors say that the unlock would ultimately translate into spot buying. Once the unlock happens, some of the GBTC holders might need to enter the market directly to buy Bitcoin to repay loans they took to buy GBTC shares. These are the investors that are expected to spot buy. On top of that, other investors are likely to enter the market directly. Overall, this will boost the buying pressure instead of selling pressure. So don't worry about it. The Grayscale unlock is definitely a good thing for all Dogecoin holders. Talking about Bitcoin, currently it is moving between $30,000 to $34,000 after bottoming at $26,000 on 20th June. BTC has a potentially bullish setup in place if it can hold the low and rallies back above this week's high. If this happens, BTC will be on its way to mid-50K, and from there, it can then stage its rally to $90,000 later this year. All this is bullish because it will lead to huge pumps in Dogecoin too. Now, moving on, here is some interesting international crypto news from India. The Indian government is thinking about new laws to regulate cryptocurrency in the country. Take a look at this. The Indian Tax Department is looking to tax foreign crypto exchanges with a goods and service tax of 18%. This is the same as the tax levied by the country on brokerage and conventional share trading on the stock market. The Indian government has previously been extremely hostile towards crypto. They have even threatened to outright ban crypto investments and trading. So this is why taxation is going to be a good thing, since after that, they will not consider banning it. And this is a huge deal for Dogecoin because India is potentially the biggest market for Dogecoin right now. If you don't know, India is seeing a massive interest in crypto investment. The Indian crypto investment has seen a 600% exponential increase in just the past year. With almost $5.7 billion piled into cryptocurrency over the past year, India is slowly becoming a big market for crypto. The reason for this is the growing millennial population in the country. Right now, the millennials in India are buying crypto instead of gold. This is a big deal because gold is a commodity that Indians usually like to invest in. But it looks like they have finally realized that crypto is a better hedge against inflation than gold. The founder of a local Indian exchange, DebPay, say that they find it far easier to invest in crypto than gold because the process is very simple. You go online, you can buy crypto, you don't have to verify it, unlike gold. Basically, crypto offers Indian millennials an easier alternative to gold. On top of that, the Indian government has softened its tone on crypto too. In March, the Indian Supreme Court overturned the Reserve Bank of India's ban on financial institutions. This basically allowed banking firms to offer cryptocurrencies again. Now, another interesting thing happened today in India. Basically, Coinbase is looking to expand its base in India. Its CEO said that Coinbase is building out an office in India. Amazing team already in place. Come join us. Hiring for new roles in the country, building a physical office, and offering a basic crypto knowledge program is part of Coinbase's action plan in the country. All of this is great news for Dogecoin because India has a huge appetite for Dogecoin. Considering that India is a developing country, most potential crypto investors are likely to find Doge's market proposition very appealing. Now, let's talk about some pretty bad news that came out from South Korea today. So, the South Korean crypto trading platform BitHum has banned employee Bitcoin trading. This means that BitHum employees can no longer obtain an internal account on the app for cryptocurrency exchange. This comes after a recent closed-door meeting between South Korean regulators and 20 digital currency exchanges. And another bad news came out from Thailand. Take a look at this. Binance is again in trouble after Thailand's regulator filed a criminal complaint against Binance after issuing a warning letter to Binance on April 5. The securities regulator from Thailand said that Binance is operating a cryptocurrency exchange in the country without a license. Therefore, it is liable to criminal sanction under local laws. Even Cayman Islands has issued a notice that said that Binance, the Binance Group, and Binance Holdings Limited are not registered, licensed, regulated, or otherwise authorized by the authority to operate a cryptocurrency exchange from or within the Cayman Islands. On top of that, UK Financial Conduct Authority and Japan's Financial Services Agency have also issued similar warnings on Binance. Following which British multinational bank, Barclays stopped UK clients from sending funds to Binance. Barclays notified clients of the prohibition on debit and credit payments to Binance, adding that it was intended to help keep your money safe. Needless to say, Binance is in deep trouble, and this is alarming for Doge because Binance is one of the biggest crypto exchanges that offer Dogecoin trading right now. But still, there's still some really good news that came out for Dogecoin. Vietnam president has instructed the State Bank of Vietnam to study and carry out pilot implementation for cryptocurrency based on blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency based on blockchain is among the core technologies Vietnam hopes to develop and master as part of its e-government development strategy. For many years, Vietnam had no specific definition for cryptocurrency or virtual assets. The Central Bank of Vietnam had even asked credit institutions not to use cryptocurrencies as a type of currency or a means of payment. But now, all this is about to change as the Vietnamese government is opening its doors to crypto. The government's Ministry of Finance has set up a group to study crypto and virtual assets. Now, this is a pretty big deal because Vietnam was Asia's top-performing economy in the past year. It even has a large lower middle income population, which would be really attracted to Dogecoin since it's the common man's favorite currency. So, I think this is yet another catalyst for Dogecoin, and I'm pretty excited to see how that'll affect its price in the coming months. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. Also, I'd like to remind you that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.